To shrink the error, we first have to measure it with a single honest number. That number has a name, the cost. The whole job of training is to make the cost as small as possible. Start with one house. The line guessed one price, the real price was another. The difference between them is the miss. Simple. Now a small but clever detail. Some misses are too high, some too low. Plus and minus would cancel out and hide the real error, so we square each miss. Squaring makes every miss positive, and it makes the big misses count a lot more, which is exactly what we want. Then we add up the squared misses across all the houses and divide by how many there are. That average is the cost. One number that says on the whole how far off this line is. So the goal of training in one line, find the dials M and C that make this cost as small as it can go. Here's a picture that helps. Imagine the cost as a valley. High up the sides means a bad line, lots of error. Down at the bottom means the best line, least error. We want the very bottom of that valley.
So how do we actually get down to the bottom of the valley?
By rolling downhill carefully, and that idea has a big name that sounds scary and isn't. Next, gradient descent.